Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Black. In this video we are going to discuss about Java programming language. In this video we will cover what is Java, what are the key aspects of Java, why you need to learn Java, what are the skills required for Java developer, where Java is used. What is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems, now owned by Oracle. It's known for its platform independence, meaning that Java programs can run on any device with a Java Virtual Machine (JVM). Java is widely used for developing web applications, mobile applications, enterprise software, and more. Key aspects of Java. Platform independence. Java code is compiled into an intermediate form called bytecode, which can run on any device with a compatible Java virtual machine. This enables write once, run anywhere capability. Object-oriented. Java is designed around the principle of object-oriented programming (OOP), including encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. This makes it modular, extensible, and easy to maintain. Syntax. Java syntax is similar to C++, making it relatively easy for developers familiar with C-based languages to learn. It has a strong and static type system, which helps catch errors during compilation rather than at runtime. Standard library. Java comes with a vast standard library that provides classes and methods for common programming tasks. This helps developers by providing pre-built functionality, saving time and effort. Memory management. Java uses automatic garbage collection, which simplifies memory management for the developers. The JVM automatically deallocates memory when objects are no longer in use. Multithreading. Java has built-in support for multithreading, allowing developers to create concurrent and parallel programs. This is essential for improving performance in applications that need to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Security. Java places a strong emphasis on security. The JVM includes features like bytecode verification and a security manager to create a secure execution environment for Java applications. Community and ecosystem. Java has a large and active developer community contributing to an extensive ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools. Popular frameworks like Spring and Hibernate are widely used in Java development. Versatility. Java is used in a variety of applications, including web development, Java Enterprise Edition, desktop applications, Java Standard Edition, and mobile development, Android. It is also employed in large-scale enterprise systems. Importance of learning Java. Versatility. Java is used in a wide range of applications, including web development, mobile app development, enterprise software, scientific computing, and more. Learning Java opens up diverse opportunities in software development landscape. Industry demand. Java has been a prominent language for many years and continues to be in high demand in job market. Many companies, especially in enterprise sector, rely on Java for their software development needs. Object-oriented programming (OOP). Java's strong emphasis on OOP principles provide a solid foundation for understanding and applying object-oriented concepts. Enterprise applications. Many large-scale mission-critical systems in enterprises are built using Java. Learning Java gives you the skills to work on such projects and contribute to the development of robust, scalable applications. Job opportunities. Java developers are consistently in demand, and learning Java can enhance your job prospects. It's a skill that can open doors to various roles in software development. Learning fundamentals. Java's syntax and structures are based on fundamental programming principles. Learning Java can provide a solid foundation in programming that can be transferable to other languages. Java developer skills. Java programming. Strong proficiency in Java is fundamental. This includes knowledge of core concepts like data types, control structures, and object oriented programming principles. JVM internals. Understanding the Java virtual machine and its internal workings is crucial. This includes memory management, garbage collection, and performance tuning. Object oriented design. Since Java is object oriented language, developers should be adept at designing and implementing solutions using OOD principles like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Frameworks. Familiarity with popular Java frameworks is beneficial. For example, Spring is widely used for building enterprise applications, and Hibernate is commonly used for data access. Database knowledge. Java developers often work with databases. Understanding structured query language (SQL), as well as integration with databases through technologies like JDBC or JPA is important. Web development. For Java developers working on web applications, knowledge of web development technologies such as servlets, Java server pages, and frameworks like Spring MVC is valuable. Web services. Understanding how to create and consume web services is essential. This includes knowledge of technologies like REST and SOAP. Version control. Proficiency with version control systems like Git is important for collaborative development. Build tools. Knowledge of build tools like Maven or Gradle is common in Java development for managing project dependencies and building applications. Testing. Skills in unit testing frameworks like JUnit and understanding of testing methodologies contribute to development of robust and maintainable code. IDEs. Familiarity with integrated development environments like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse enhances productivity and supports efficient code development. Debugging and profiling. Being able to effectively debug code and use profiling tools to analyze performance bottlenecks is valuable. Security. Awareness of security best practices and understanding common vulnerabilities is crucial for writing secure Java applications. Continuous integration or continuous development. Experience with CI/CD tools like Jenkins or GitLab facilitates automated testing and deployment processes. Soft skill. Communication, teamwork, and problem solving skills are essential for collaborating with colleagues and stakeholders. Java usage in various domains. Financial services, JP Morgan Chase, Citigroup, and Fidelity Investments. Technology and software, Oracle, IBM, SAP, and HPE. E-commerce, eBay and Amazon. Social media and networking, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Airbnb. Aerospace and defense, NASA. Automotive, BMW and Volkswagen. Gaming, Minecraft. Search engines, Google. And that's it for the video, guys. If you enjoy the content, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.